In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a private server on Roblox for PS5 and Xbox. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you play Roblox on console, you've probably noticed that there's not a built-in option to create a private server on PS5 or Xbox, but there's actually a simple workaround that you can use, and once it's set up, you can use it forever without repeating the process. Now, you may want to make a private server just because it helps you avoid random players stealing your items. It also helps you easily trade and move items between your accounts, and also makes it just a more relaxed, controlled game environment. The first step to actually doing this, though, is actually just having a friend on PC or mobile create it for you, or create a secondary Roblox account, which is what I personally recommend. And for this guide, I'm going to be using a second account, so just make a new Roblox account and then add your main as a friend. After doing so, on your secondary account, you're going to want to go ahead and search for the game that you want a private server for. So for example, I'm going to use Grow a Garden right here. And keep in mind, I'm on my PC for this, but you can do this on anything. Go ahead and find this little servers tab here and select it. And then you'll have the option to create a private server. Now, in this case, with Grow a Garden, it is free. Some of them are going to cost Robux, so keep that in mind. Hit create private server, and then you're going to see your server pop up here, where you can go ahead and click these three dots here, hit configure, and then add more settings here. Now, the most important part for this is hitting this connections allowed right here, and then selecting this add people option and searching up the username of your other account. So in this case, my other account is called Just Boz, just like so. I'm going to go ahead and select it and add them onto it. Alternatively, you can also just go ahead and hit this join button here. It might ask you to go ahead and open up Roblox, and then after you do get loaded into your private server, go back onto your console and you'll have the option to just simply go ahead and join this private server, just like so. Now, the first time that you do load into it, it might be a little slow, but after getting loaded into it the first time, you'll be good to go. Like, as you can see, we're officially in here, and look, my alt's right there as well. Now, I do want to say that you don't specifically need to go ahead and have another player in here in order to join this. You can actually go ahead and back out just like so. And now whenever you go to that game homepage, like I'm going to search it right now. Now, in order to go ahead and access the private server, you are going to need your alt account on, but they can get off after. So I can leave on my computer or my phone after I go ahead and join on my PlayStation or Xbox, and I'm good to continue playing. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.